Hi friends, in this video I am going to check actual weight of this Ugaoo Neem Cake Powder 5 kg. As I mentioned, this is 5 kg packet. Let me check the actual weight. See, it's 4.6 kg. 400 grams missing. Let me check again. See, now it shows 4.7. Let me check again. See, 4.6. So this is the actual weight.